So today we will continue with pronouns. In an earlier lesson, you learned that pronouns are words that replace nouns like he, she, and it. You also learned that when talking about yourself, you use pronouns like I and me. When you're talking about yourself, you're using first person pronoun, and I and me are singular first person pronouns. If you would like to talk about yourself and other people, we use first person plural pronouns, and that means they also include we and us. I and me means you're talking about one single person, yourself. I is singular, me is singular. We means you're talking about yourself and other people. Us means you're talking about yourself and other people. So we've already practiced with using I, me, we, and us. Today we're going to be looking at some first person possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. So what are possessive pronouns? Now, possessive pronouns are used to show belonging. Doesn't this sound familiar? Yes, it does. We already did possessive pronouns, and possessive pronoun shows ownership, right? It shows who it belongs to. And it's the same thing with possessive pronouns. We're showing ownership, who it belongs to. But instead of using nouns, we're using pronouns. So we're going to be using the pronouns mine. You're talking about yourself and you're telling someone that it belongs to you. So here is an example. The blue blanket is mine. This is showing ownership. It shows that it belongs to you, the person, the writer, right? And let's take a look at another example here. The pronoun ours. You're still referring to yourself, but you're with more than one person, right? So example, that table is ours. It's showing that the table belongs to yourself and other people. Maybe it belongs to you and your mom and your dad. So that table is ours. You are still included in there, but you're talking about you and more than one person. So today we're going to be identifying first person pronouns from our exercises in English. So take out your exercises in English. Turn to page 34, page 3-4, and you're going to complete that page. You're going to circle all the first person pronouns in each of the sentences. And that's for the top part, section A. For the bottom part, you're going to complete each sentence with a first person pronoun, the best appropriate pronoun to go there. And we already know the rules of writing I, me, we, or us. So go ahead and complete that. When you're finished, you go to the next slide to check your answers. Bye.